are the honorable member of this august house. Please. Ji.
नाज़रीन, क़ौमी असम्बली
अगर आपका स्पीकर ही नहीं होगा, आप इलेक्शन में नहीं जा सकेंगे, तो पहले ये शुरुआत करें ना। नहीं, आपका पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर जो है वो मैंने दे दिया। अब वो उनका हक बनता है, फिर अगर कोई बात करना चाहता है तो देखें।
क़ौमी असम्बली के इजलास नाज़रीन इस वक्त
सुनूंगा। आपको यह भी पता है, अगर आप ये मुझसे रूलिंग लेना चाहते हैं, तो जो ऑनरेबल मेंबर इलेक्शन कमीशन ने नोटिफाइड कर दिए हैं, दे आर द रिस्पेक्टेबल मेंबर ऑफ दिस ऑगस्ट हाउस। ये आप बाहर लड़ें लड़ाई। प्लीज तशरीफ रखें।
और आर्टिकल 65 के तहत उन्होंने यह हलफ लिया है।
आप तशरीफ रखें। जिस आर्टिकल के तहत, आर्टिकल ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के तहत आपने हलफ लिया है, उसी आर्टिकल के तहत उन्होंने हलफ लिया है। ये फोरम नहीं है, दिस इज नॉट द फोरम। आप इलेक्शन में कमीशन में जाएं, आप कोर्ट में जाएं जी। So, election of the speaker. Let's go ahead with our item number 3. Today, the members of the National Assembly will elect their speaker and deputy speaker. There are 2 validly nominated papers for the election of speaker. So, the member who will secure more votes than the other will be declared to have been elected as speaker. I read out the names of the members who have been duly nominated along with the names of their proposers. Malik Muhammad Amir Dogar Sahab. Malik Muhammad Amir Dogar Sahab, proposed by Sahibzada Sibghatullah, Mr. Ali Muhammad, Dr. Amjad Ali Khan. 3 nomination papers were received and accepted. Sardar Ayaz Sadiq Sahab, proposed by Mr. Sayyid Naveed Qamar, Chaudhry Salik Hussain, Mr. Abdul Aleem Khan, Mr. Awais Ahmad Lagari. 4 nomination papers were received and accepted. The honorable members are informed that the members may withdraw their candidature at any time before the Assembly proceeds to elect a speaker. The honorable members are also informed that since there is no provision in the rules of procedure for fixation of time of election, therefore the voting will be closed when the presiding officer is satisfied that all the members present have voted. For convenience of the honorable members, I read out the procedure to be adopted for the conduct of election of speaker. The election will be by secret ballot. Each member has one vote. In order to cast their votes, the names of the members in Urdu alphabetical order will be called out by the Secretary, National Assembly, one by one. Before delivering the ballot paper to a member, it will be signed by an officer of the National Assembly, Secretariat, and stamped on its reverse with the seal of the Assembly. The presiding officer then proceeds to the enclosure near the table of the presiding officer and put a cross mark with stamp on the ballot paper against the name of the candidate of his choice. Election to कराए ना पहले. If the cross mark stamp is not marked properly, the vote shall be considered as invalid vote and shall not be counted in favor of any candidate. The ballot paper will be folded before it is inserted in the ballot box placed on my left side. If any ballot paper is inadvertently spoiled by a member, he may ask for the fresh one after returning the spoiled ballot paper, which would be cancelled. One polling agent may be nominated by each candidate. You have to nominate one agent. Procedure तो कर लेना. मैंने अभी बात करवाई आप चले तशरीफ लेके चले आप चले ना सीटों पे चले. कौन बोलेगा? Who would speak? Okay, उमर अयूब साहब चले. प्लीज तशरीफ रखें अपनी सीट्स पे. असद कैसर साहब, आप बात करना चाहते हैं? जी, ऑनरेबल उमर अयूब साहब.
नाज़रीन, कौमी असेंबली का इजलास